Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you Chasing Helicity. So Helicity, our main character, is very aware of how unusual her name is, pretty much as unusual as she is. Helicity basically means the spinning action of like in a corkscrew motion. And Helicity has always been fascinated with weather. Her heroes are meteorologists and storm chasers, not your reality TV stars. So Helicity is fascinated by storms, especially tornadoes. She sees them as her way to escape reality, whether it be from her very strict father or the fact that her brother is about to leave to go to college and she's already missing him. So one day, Helicity hops on her horse and goes out to just clear her mind, and then the unthinkable happens. She is stuck in the middle of a tornado. So what she does before, during, and after this storm will affect her family forever. So to find out what happens, read Chasing Helicity. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.